Hello, my name is Lorena from Tefal, and welcome to our Tefal community, and congratulations on the purchase of your new Tefal air fryer. So this is the Easy Frying Grill 2-in-1 extra large air fryer. It's one of the largest air fryers that we make, with a 6.5 liter basket that easily feeds up to 8 people. We've also included a die-cast aluminum grill plate, which allows you to get those lovely grill marks on your food. And essentially, it's smokeless grilling because the grilling occurs inside the appliance. We've also included 8 automatic programs that set the temperature and the time for you. The most important of which, of course, is our syncing mode, which allows you to cook 2 different types of food and finish cooking at the same time. But before we start cooking quick, easy, and healthy meals and snacks for your family, there are a few points we need to go over in the setup of the appliance so you have it all ready to go. So now that your Tefal air fryer is all set up, your cooking possibilities are endless. Now don't forget to load our free My Tefal app, where you can find hundreds of recipes to be inspired. And if you create your own recipe, you can load it onto the app and be part of our community. Happy cooking!